Hi everyone. So this will be a very detailed video on Accenture recruitment process. And if you will watch this video till the end, you don't need to watch any other separate video apart from this to understand the whole exam pattern, the process and everything. Okay. So if you got the email for Accenture exam, first of all, make sure to like this video and let's start with each and every possible minor detail to understand the whole process. Okay. First of all, maybe you guys have got the assessment slot confirmation or a virtual slot mail in which you have booked your slot. After booking the slot, you will be getting the assessment confirmation for slot booking. Now let's understand about the exam pattern and the process, each and everything in detail. Okay, so the first stage, let's understand about the stages. What is the first stage? Okay, the first stage is the mock assessment. So to complete the mock assessment, the deadline is 7th of January. Why this assessment is very important? Because if you will not complete the mock assessment, you will not get to know if the actual assessment can be run on your PC or not. To run the mock assessment, all the requirements are same as it needs to run the actual assessment. So if you can run the mock assessment, definitely you can run the actual assessment on the same day. That's why the mock assessment is very important to complete. You will get to understand if your system is following all the requirements or not. Okay, if you will not complete the mock assessment, you will not get to understand if you can run the actual assessment or not. Also in the mock assessment, you will be getting the questions of game based assessment, so you can actually understand what kind of games will you get in your actual assessment, because in this game based questions you will be getting the questions which you will be getting in the actual exam as well. Okay, now talking about this, so this is the mock assessment. The first stage is the behavior round. Okay, now see, this will happen on the same day on your assessment day. Okay, on the assessment day, this will be your first assessment. This is a behavior round. So in this, you will be getting multiple questions. Okay, the questions will be agree disagree questions. Okay, agree disagree question. So there will be some statement like this: do you think, are you a good team leader? Do you agree with this as a statement, or you disagree with this statement? Okay, so if you will agree, you will choose agree. If you disagree, you will choose disagree. So these kind of very generic questions you will be getting in the behavior round. It's a non elimination round. Okay, and you don't need to prepare for this round. So this is your round one. Okay, when you will complete this assessment, then there is cognitive assessment. Now this is one of the most important assessment, which is cognitive assessment. So this assessment is divided into total three games. The first game is maths based balloon game. Second game is path game. Third one is key door. Okay, these are the three games. So the first one, which is the maths based game, it is a easy game in which you will be getting total three statements and you need to sort them according to their value. Okay, so suppose you are getting the suppose if I will ask you which number is bigger, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5. Okay, so you will say yes, that 0.5 is the highest, 0.4 then lower than 0.5, and then the lowest is 0.2. So this is the basic thing which you need to do in the maths game, that you need to sort the numbers based on their value. You will click based on their value highest to lowest. Okay, now the main part is in this you will be getting the fraction questions as well. You will be getting decimal questions as well, and you can get multiple calculations as well. That's why it can be little bit difficult for some students. For example, the fraction calculations like this one, like 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 0.2, and 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Now you need to sort these three statements based on their value. So you need to calculate them. You need to calculate the values of each of them, and then only you can so place it in the order from highest to lowest. To solve this kind of question, I already made a video. Okay, so free preparation series link you will be getting in the pin comment. So in that free preparation series, I already talked about these games, how to solve, what are the tricks. Okay, so you can watch the free series. We have already uploaded on YouTube on the playlist. Apart from this, if you want to practice for game based assessment, in our mock test we have included the link of the mock test, you will be getting in the description. We have included a lot of material, so you will be getting the actual recording as well, you will be getting multiple videos, you will be getting the link as well to practice. Okay, so on these links you can practice the actual games. Apart from this, you will be getting the PDFs which you can look for, and for practice, like for maths based game, we have provided the quizzes as well. So these quizzes you can attempt to check how you are doing. Okay, so these kind of quizzes also you will be getting in the mock test for your practice. So a lot of material we have provided for game based assessment. Okay, now second game is path game. So path game is simple. There will be a starting point and there will be an ending point, and you need to reach out to the ending point by rotating the arrows. I already explained this game as well. Okay, on the YouTube you will be getting the video in the preparation list, and you will be getting 24 games in the maths one, and you will be getting around I think shed 3 to 4 games in this one, and you will be getting a timer. Within the timer you need to complete the game. Okay, within the timer you need to complete the game. Some games in the path game is little difficult. Okay, some games in the path it's little bit difficult. So I already explained how you need to do the things. Please watch the video so you will get a better understanding of this game. Apart from this, you will be getting the key door game as well. So for key door game as well, you will be getting a 4 minutes timer. Okay, and you need to solve the 3 games of key door, in which you cannot see the walls. Without seeing the walls, you need to collect the key, and after collecting the key you need to go to the exit point. Again, I have made a full video on this, how to solve this, that you will get in the free preparation series. Okay, and for the practice, if you want to practice, we have provided a lot of videos and the game based assessment in our mock test. Link will be in the description. Okay, now the main round comes. Suppose if you will clear this, okay, if you will clear this, then you will proceed with the technical assessment. But if you will not clear this, okay, if you will not clear the cognitive assessment, your test will exit and you cannot proceed with the technical assessment. Immediate rejection if you will not able to clear this. In the technical assessment, you will be getting the questions from pseudocode, computer networks, security, cloud, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, and apart from this, you will be getting some MS Office questions. Okay, so these will be your main topic: pseudocode, computer network, security, cloud, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and MS Office. Okay, now the main part is you will be getting around 45 minutes in this assessment. The main part is, the good part is, they are repeating or they are asking very similar question which they have asked already. In the slots, they are asking almost similar, okay, or same, they are repeating the same questions, okay, which they have already asked. So what about that, how you can do that? So for that we have provided the actual assessment full complete paper here, 162 pages. The best part is that maybe you will waste your time in searching the answers for the question which already Accenture asked. We provided the solution as well. So we provided the solution of the theory questions and the pseudocodes separately. So separately you will be getting the solution of pseudocodes. You will be separately getting the Accenture theory paper question solutions, also the actual paper of Accenture you will get in the mock test, so that you can prepare for it, because most of the times they are repeating the question. Many questions maybe you will get in the assessment, they are repeated. Okay, so yes, most of the students who purchased it, okay, you can see the messages, almost everyone have a very good response. Okay, so you can see the messages from the students who have purchased it because the questions are repeating. Okay, so the link will be in the description through which you can purchase. It's a mock test link. Okay, so basically if you will clear this round as well, you will be getting 45 minutes. Okay, you will proceed with the coding assessment. Now this is the easiest assessment, I would say. Very less elimination. Okay, after technical assessment also there is elimination after. So in coding assessment you will be getting one SQL question, easy level only, not much difficult. One coding question, again easy level only, and one web based question. Okay, Even if you will not perform very very good in this assessment, suppose if you will clear only one question or two question, there are chances that you will proceed with the communication assessment. Okay, there are chances. That's why the cutoff of this round is less, and the questions are also easy. So SQL and coding and web based, yes, you can practice like basic SQL syntax. Like most of the times they are asking the SQL question from joins. So you need to join two to three tables. After that, you need to extract the data. Coding question, they are not going so advanced. They are asking the question only from the algos, uh, strings, arrays. Okay, only these kind of questions only they have asked. Also, I have solved the question which they have asked. Okay. Apart from this, in web also they have asking to complete the functionality. If you will clear all this, you will be getting a mail in which you need to that you are eligible to participate for communication assessment. Okay, and then communication assessment will be in next 7 days. So this will be your whole process. Okay, so that's how you actually need to crack the Accenture. The main part is there are two big elimination, one after cognitive round, which is a game based assessment, which is cognitive round, and one elimination after technical assessment. So these two eliminations are big. You need to clear both technical and cognitive. Okay, if you will not able to clear any of the section, you will be getting rejection immediate rejection. Okay, I want to tell one more important thing, that maybe you will get selected in this round, but in the final selection of the after the interview, because Accenture interviews are very easy, the final selection depends upon your technical assessment as well as on your coding score. So even if you are qualifying here, doesn't guarantee that you performed very well and maybe you will be getting selected, but the technical and coding score will be helping you to get selected in the final. So technical and coding assessment is very very important. Prepare your best and give your best in this. Okay, so all the best. I hope you guys got it. If you want to purchase the mock test, the link will be in the description. It will be worth it. Okay, first thing is join the WhatsApp group, and all the things we have already provided here, which you can see. Thank you so much for watching.